Hey everybody, it's Hey John. I cover cryptocurrency videos about Dogecoin specifically, the Dogecoin news, and the Dogecoin technical analysis. If you, ladies and gentlemen, support this channel, please do me a huge favor and tap the subscribe button and tap the like button so we can spread the Dogecoin news together, okay? Now you came for a Dogecoin news, so let's get to it, alright? So today I have something on the Cointelegraph here. Payments firm Nuvei, I'm not sure how you say it, but something like that though, launches support for 40 cryptos, including Redcoin and Doge. Payment provider Nuvei has launched support for nearly 40 crypto assets, including lesser known coins from previous market cycles, such as Redcoin, Steam, Bitcoin Gold, and Saya Coin. E-commerce merchants can now transact in nearly 40 cryptocurrencies through global payments platform Nuvei. Nuvei is as you can see right here, a global payment platform. So it's essentially kind of like Magneto, or basically it's essentially a backend software where it connects your website and process your payments for you. So in a sense, it's kind of like PayPal, but in the background on a server side. So you don't necessarily see all the inner workings of how it works, but it's in the background though. And then they basically have APIs where developers can implement these to websites, right? And obviously they charge a fee for doing this kind of stuff right here for you. But the key thing here to note is that Nuvei is expanding the spectrum here globally. Okay, I mean, BitPay is kind of United States, and they plan on going global. However, Nuvei is already global already, and they're about, I believe, a $10 billion company. So they do have quite a bit of reach, and this is going to be and this is, in my opinion, fantastic news for cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin specifically, because we all know that Dogecoin is bought everywhere. I have viewers from India, I have viewers from the UK, Australia, you know. So basically, people watching these Dogecoin videos are pretty much globally, right? And eventually, these same people, over time, they can probably buy goods through Dogecoin accepted websites, possibly using a Nuvei as a platform. But obviously, when you're checking out on the website right here, right, it won't say Nuvei, right? Because again, it's a server side kind of application, so you don't see it. It's kind of hidden in the background, but it is processing your exchanges here for you. And it is huge news for cryptocurrency, because this tells me that, you know what, we are seeing more market adoption, more marketing of this right here, right? And more retailers want to adopt it. Therefore, Nuvei and BitPay and these other companies who are payment processors are seeing this a trend here, and they want to join in and capitalize on it. And as they are, and as they should, and that's fantastic for us. Okay, so we're seeing cryptocurrencies becoming no longer just an asset, right, but becoming a currency where you can actually use it as a currency as well, which is fantastic, which is what we want as well. According to the announcement, merchants partnered with a payment provider can use an array of cryptocurrencies to send and receive payments across 200 countries. That's a lot of countries, people. To me, that's pretty much international, right? It can be anywhere, everywhere, including top assets, Bitcoin and Ether, and lesser known cryptos such as Redcoin and Bitcoin Gold, and even the hyper volatile coins like Dogecoin. Nuvei customers can even use Ripple XRP, despite the asset's recent legal woes and subsequent delistings from major exchanges. Okay. Well, regardless of Ripple having their own issues here, but the point being is that, Dogecoin, the Doge is going everywhere. It's spreading like wildfire. Again, this is kind of like setting the precedent of, again, the beginning of huge spread and huge rate adoption here. And we haven't even seen it implemented fully yet, right? We are seeing the beginning stages here. So obviously, over time, it's only going to expand, and you're gonna see more of it accepted everywhere. Okay. Nuvei, I'm sorry. Here we go. Commenting on the launch, Nuvei CEO and chairman Philip Fayer described the firm's support for crypto assets as empowering our clients, large and small, with frictionless payment experiences and a greater opportunity to partake in a global marketplace. Okay. And also, another thing to note as well is that if you do use cryptocurrency on the global market right here, right? I don't think there is, correct me if I'm wrong, with the comment below, I don't believe there's going to be an exchange rate, right? Because obviously one Bitcoin in America is going to be one Bitcoin in Russia or one Bitcoin in Europe or China or Australia or Africa or wherever, right? So it's $1 here, it's gonna be $1 over here, you know. So there isn't gonna be any kind of exchange fees. So it'll be cheaper to actually use cryptocurrencies to buy stuff digitally internationally, right? And it is fantastic here. I mean, this may take away some of the shine from the fiat currencies, but again, this is the beginning of it. So we may not see it right away, but it'll start getting processed out and pushed out. And of course, the vast majority the vast majority of people don't even know what cryptocurrencies are or what blockchain technology is. And that's why I continue and will continue making these videos to spread the Dogecoin knowledge and to get more people into Dogecoin so they can understand what it is, so they are more willing to invest and use it. And most importantly, it grows the Dogecoin family and community. The announcement also asserts transactions will provide enhanced security, privacy, and integrity to Nuvei's users who, when compared to traditional fiat methods of payments. However, multiple crypto assets supported by Nuvei have previously been the subject of 51% attacks. In the final quarter of 2020, Nuvei processed almost 14 billion from merchants, with the company handling 43 billion over the entirety of 2020. That's about a quarter of the business, I would say, right? 14 times 4 is what, 40, 56? Okay. Maybe not a quarter, but it's quite a bit. Maybe like 20% of business right here, right? So I thought maybe 25% of business. I mean, that's pretty big. I mean, in the final quarter of 2020, right? So that means that only 3 months, and they got 14 billion from merchants. Imagine a year, that could be 14 times 4, 40, possibly $56 billion, right? So 56 plus 29 for them for 2020, it could be 56 plus 29 is 70, about $86 billion. So for Nuvei, this is gonna be their bread and butter, and of course they're gonna want to use it. They're seeing a new revenue stream, and as profitable and as big as this one, and as fast accelerating as this one here, I have no reason to believe that they will not push out this API to more people to more merchants and more retailers globally, and incentivize them to want to use it because um, as a company, Nuvei gets a profit immensely from this right here, right? So obviously it's in their self interest to want to do that, and B, this spreads and this helps the rate adoption of cryptocurrency go international at a faster pace here. And if it grows at a faster pace, that just means more people are going to want to buy Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And in turn, that will increase the asset values of these coins here. So it's in your self-interest, it's in your interest as a Dogecoin enthusiast to want to share these videos and like them and subscribe to these videos, so YouTube will share these videos out with more people, so we can grow the Dogecoin family together. Okay. Nuvei announcements that come as competition between traditional payments provider entering the crypto sector is heating. That's true, because even BitPay has announced that they plan on going international, right? On March 29, Visa announced a pilot program allowing all its partners to use the Ethereum blockchain to settle transactions made in fiat. The solution utilizes the USDC stablecoin to clear transactions. That's interesting because you're seeing Visa, one of the biggest players in the transaction market, now starting to adopt blockchain technology here. What does that tell you, ladies and gentlemen? That tells you that this is going to be the future. If you're watching my videos, you're getting in on the ground floor before it blows up. When it blows up, then you're going to see these assets increase exponentially, and And then at that point, everyone's gonna want to buy when it's high up there because that's just the way it is. It's very strange. Last year, PayPal announced that it will start offering cryptocurrency services to its users, including the ability for them to purchase and trade them. That is huge as well. PayPal has a massive following, right? And they offer cryptocurrencies. I've seen them offer Bitcoin where you can buy it directly, but I don't think you can. But it's not necessarily a wallet because it's more of a it's more of I believe a wallet where PayPal controls the private keys, but they allow you to buy those. So it's kind of like Robinhood currently, but obviously Robinhood in the future and probably I would say sometime this year is going to implement a feature where users can get their own cryptocurrency wallets and exchange the coins directly. On March 22, a US-based online shopping app Buy Aladdin announced it will start accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum across multiple shopping malls in South Korea. Okay, well, South Korea is a very it's very I would say a very technological country. I've been there myself personally speaking. They're really they are really into technology and modernization. So it makes it to me it's no surprise that they are starting to adopt cryptocurrency as well. It makes total sense because everything there is going digital, so why not have digital currency too, right? And now I want to go into Nuvei a little bit and kind of analyze the company real quick and just give some overview of it to kind of shed some light on what the company's about here. So Nuvei, payment technology partner. Okay, as I mentioned before, they're kind of like Magneto, where they kind of process the payments for you, right? Magneto is kind of old, like old eBay kind of a backend software, server side software, but we don't get to all that though. So of course, this isn't very interesting to you and I, but if you are a developer and if you do use and you do have a retail website, it may behoove you to want to use Nuvei as a potential processing partner, so you can get easier access to processing cryptocurrencies right here, right? So let's go ahead and well, so they accept local payments worldwide, one platform, no barriers, and actually since Nuvei is literally worldwide, and wow, it says with 450 plus local and alternative payments method accepted, 150 plus currencies and global pay-ins and payouts, you can now expand your reach and tap into new markets without worry over compliance. That's true, actually. That's actually very good because Nuvei kind of takes care of all that stuff for you. So basically, when someone pays through the platform here, right, they deal with all the compliance for you, so you don't have to worry about it. So this could be a really useful platform actually, and I can see why they're growing so much. So let's see the Nuvei stock now. See what it looks like. All right, so it's worth about $57. $57.72. The market cap is 10.08 billion US dollars. That's a pretty big company, I would say. That to put it into perspective, they're kind of like the size of Xerox, for example. So it's a very large company, and it's a very well-known company here. And of course, this is a Canadian company. So let's go back to the website and see what that looks like. Okay, this is nothing here. Here we go. So this is their platform. One platform, one partner, limitless global possibilities, bringing all together through one end-to-end payment technology platform. Currently, the way cryptos work on these kind of platforms, they're kind of mix and match right now. But this kind of brings it all to one place, and I can see that bringing tremendous value to people, and the fact that they are already international. If you're an international retailer, this makes sense for you, right? Because obviously we live in a global supply chain world now, so it makes sense to kind of have this as well. We can ship to anyone now. Let's see here. Let's see. Single point of connectivity for in-app e-commerce, in-store, and mobile payments. So they also offer in-person and e-commerce as well, like Shopify, right? 450 plus local and alternative payment methods, 150 plus currencies. Acquiring flexibility and advanced customization, connections to 200 plus global acquiring partners, payment innovations to increase conversions and drive more revenue. Increased conversions basically means when someone goes to the website and they actually buy something, that's what you call a conversion, right? And if you make it easier to buy stuff, then of course people are more likely to convert, right? If they got, I've seen for myself sometimes when I log into a website, I have to make an account. I can't just check out a guest. You know what? I'm not even gonna bother with you guys. I don't want to deal with you guys, honestly. But I have seen now websites are offering things like guest checkout with a PayPal account. So I basically log in through my PayPal account. I can pay through there, and booyah, you get your order done and shipped to you, right? Without needing to sign up with a website, putting all your information, blah 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 blah. This to me, Nuvei is kind of like PayPal in that kind of sense where they kind of incorporate everything for you, so you don't need to constantly create all these accounts. So for me, this is a no-brainer. More opportunity, no compromise. Take advantage of all Nuvei has to offer without changing provider. That's right. We believe in choice, flexibility, and redundancy. Add us to your gateway stack for faster growth and geographic coverage, or take advantage of our full platform for maximum benefits. Okay, this is quite useful actually because again, did you buy what you want or get the whole shebang here, right? And the flexibility is very important here because I have run some Shopify websites before and some other retail websites, and it's very annoying to go through so many different pay providers. So this could be a potential no-brainer here. Acquiring flexibility, leveraging our connections with 200 plus global acquirers to capture every payment opportunity, increase acceptance rates, and reduce operating costs. That's true too, because if you have fewer I would say processors to deal with, then yeah, you're gonna streamline your process, right? Instead of having 10, you don't only deal with one. It's way easier. Advanced customization, right? Reach a new level of payment processing capability with our extensive flexibility and customization. Easy integration, right? Start processing fast. Our payment platform easily integrates with multiple gateways, platform partners, and e-commerce plugins. This is fantastic here. Um, so let me go over the financials here because I did go through some of their financials to kind of see what it looks like, and I do kind of want to show you guys real quick what that entails. Let me see if I find it though. Is it this one? Uh-huh. Nope. Huh. That's weird. Oh, here it is. Okay. Let me see. How do I share this one here? Oh, F5. Huh. Okay, well, I guess I can't share it though, which is kind of, well, I guess I can't share it, so I'll cut it there short today. Um, Again, if you watch this video this far already, do me a huge favor to help grow this channel and grow the Dogecoin community. Subscribe and like so we can share this video out with people who have not been exposed to Dogecoin so we can grow the community together, okay? It's Hey John, I will catch you on the next one.